Hello and welcome to this Getting Started video featuring Klippel Endurance Testing, short KET, the new power and endurance test solution. For a KET measurement, you need a Windows PC, Mezzo amplifier, Klippel dongle and of course at least one loudspeaker. The communication between PC and Mezzo uses the Dante network protocol. After connecting the PC with the Mezzo amplifier, the Klippel dongle with the PC and the loudspeaker with the amplifier, everything is ready for the first measurement. We can simply scale this up by adding more loudspeakers and amplifiers. Let's continue with installing all required software. First of all, we need to install the Dante Virtual Sound Card and Dante Controller software. Both is available on the Audnet website. A link is available in the video description. Now we have to install Klippel's DB Lab and KET software. Before starting the first measurement, we have to configure the software and the hardware settings. We start with activating and adjusting the Dante Virtual Sound Card software. If you use this software the first time, you need to enter your license key first. This Dante Virtual Sound Card license will be delivered with the KET software package. Please select 64 by 64 for the number of audio channels and start the service. The other settings can be left in default. Now we continue with Dante routing, therefore please open DB Lab software. Click on Hardware, KET hardware configuration. Now a window appears showing you all amplifiers available in the network. Please click now on Set Dante routing. With the option Arrange windows side by side, we get the KET software and the Dante controller well arranged to adjust the settings accordingly. Please do not forget to confirm the settings by clicking on the checkbox on the bottom right. Last but not least, we need to calibrate the amplifier hardware. Therefore, click on Hardware, KET and KET hardware. The gear wheel in the list of all available amplifier channels shows that the amplifier channel is not calibrated yet. Before starting the calibration process, ensure that no device is connected to the amplifier output. During the calibration process, a voltage of 10 volt will be applied to the output. Click on Calibrate and follow the instructions. Repeat this procedure for all required channels. Now also the software is well prepared for the first measurement. To start the first measurement, we create a new DB Lab database and enter a new empty object. We start with adjusting the KET sequence control settings in the property page. Here we enter a serial number, DUT name and test name. In the next step, we select the desired amplifier channel. Now we can also adjust the number of repetitions. In this case, the whole test sequence should run only once. Finally, we check the pilot tone settings. The pilot tone is used to measure the DC resistance of the loudspeaker and should be below the loudspeaker resonance frequency. Now we continue with adjusting the KET test phase. Let's start with the property page measurement setup. We select pink noise as stimulus and define the bandwidth. We don't want any special stimulus shaping, so we can leave all the parameters in the default mode. Our first test phase should be run with 1 volt RMS supplied at the loudspeaker terminal. This single test phase should take about 15 minutes without any stepping or cycling. Last but not least, we have to define which metrics shall be recorded and if we want to add limits. Therefore, we click on Property Page Measures. To protect the loudspeaker, I want to enter a power limit of 10 watt. And a temperature limit of 100 Kelvin. After editing this test phase, I want to add another phase with voltage stepping. Therefore, I can simply copy the previous adjusted KET phase. Now I only have to adjust the parameter stepping cycling mode and enter the max voltage level, step size and duration of the steps. Now we can start the KET measurement by selecting the KET sequence and clicking on the green arrow. The KET sequence will run all available KET phases in the current object. The windows in the KET sequence are showing all available results, so we can simply monitor the measurement. Let's wait for the test to be finished. The measurement is finished and we want to save this test procedure for future tests. This can be simply done by right-click on the measurement object, Save as Template. In the last part of this video, we want to run our previously edited test with 8 loudspeakers simultaneously. The best way to do this is to use the KET Dashboard. This part of the KET software allows you to start measurements from templates on all available amplifiers and control important key parameters during the whole measurement procedure. We simply mark all desired channels, right-click on New, and select the previously stored template. The KET software creates now a separate DB Lab database for each channel. These are stored in the previously defined working directory. By clicking on the Start button, the tests will be started. If you want to check the state of one single channel more detailed, you can right-click on the desired channel and use the Open DB Lab dialog to get detailed real-time results.